Guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Vanessa. I'll be posting new videos every week. If you enjoy the content, please consider subscribing. It's everything makeup, beauty, skincare related in my videos. Today I just wanted to film a tutorial on how I use my cream contour and also how I highlight too. So if you want to see how I do it, just keep watching. Thank you. In this highlight and contour routine, I'm going to be using this palette from BH Cosmetics. It's their cream contour palette. And I'll link everything below if you're interested. I'm also going to be using this Lise Watier translucent powder and also my Bye Bye Under Eye concealer in medium from It Cosmetics. You'll see how this is used in the video, but I just wanted to do a quick review on it before the video starts. So I've used this for months now. It's so nice. I've used mostly these two colors, which is for the lightest skin tone at the top. I've used it so much and I still have so much left. They're super creamy, super pigmented, and even though when you see in the video that it looks kind of crazy when you're first putting it on, it blends out so naturally, so you could even use this every day. I find it stays all day, it doesn't clump off or melt off the face or anything like that, so I'd really recommend it, and it's really affordable. I think it was like $10 at BH Cosmetics. To get started, I always cleanse my face first, so I've cleansed my face with this Andalou Apricot Probiotic Cleansing Milk first before I started, and then I always put my day cream that I'm using now, which is the Rocky Mountain Soap Co. Pomegranate Day Cream, and I put that on and give it about 5 minutes to sink in before I start. So now we'll just get into the look. So the primer that I'm going to be using is the Lise Watier Pore Minimizing Primer, so I'm just going to put that on. Got that really soft, silky feeling, and I find it's really good for filling in pores. It's also mattifying, and when I have any texture on my skin, like these pimples today, I find it really helps to cover them up. Using the same CC cream that I always use, the It Cosmetics one. I might have to put a little bit extra on today just because my skin's breaking out so much. I want to cover that. We'll see. So I've just started with 2 pumps, and I'm just using Tarte brushes. It down my neck. So I want a little bit more on my forehead to cover these pimples. So I'll just try another half pump and see. And I love this CC cream from It Cosmetics. I've mentioned it in other videos, but I'm still loving it. It's got medium coverage, I would say, but it's got a really natural finish, so it doesn't look cakey or cling to dry patches or anything. It just kind of looks like, just like the packaging says, I guess, your skin but better. Like, it's a very natural, dewy look. And I've used it a lot. I'm really prone to sunspots, and I find when I wear it outside in the sun, I don't get any more sunspots, so I feel like it's protecting me from the sun. And also I've worn it to the gym and stuff because I've just had it on, and if you sweat with it on, it still stays pretty good on your skin. Like, there might be a little bit of wear off, but it doesn't look horrible or anything. And I love that there's sunscreen in it, then I don't have to worry about putting another one. I'm just putting a little bit of concealer over these pimples just because they're really sticking out. And the concealer that I'm using is the Bye Bye Under Eye from It Cosmetics too. From BH Cosmetics, it's the cream contour. It's super affordable and I've really been liking it. And I'm using this first shade here. And I'm just using another brush from the Tarte set. And then I just want to go under my cheekbones and up. And I always do under my chin because I have a pretty square head. And up here too. And my forehead. And that one's kind of as close to the hairline as you can get it, but we'll buff it out anyways. And just a little bit on my nose. Just like that. And it looks a little bit funny with all the putting such like harsh lines and stuff on your face, but after you blend it out you can't even tell. And then I'll put a little bit of this lighter color just under my eyes just to highlight them a bit. And I don't do cream contour every day or anything, but for special occasions I like it. And I won't highlight my forehead just because I have such a big one. I don't want to accentuate it anymore. And go for the lighter parts first. Just blending it out. My skin looks pretty oily today too. I think it's just because it's just that wonderful time of the month. So that's good. And then now we'll do the darker portion. And you always want to go in an upward motion. And just blend it out really lightly. You don't want to go too firm with the brush because you'll just take it all off. And same thing underneath. Right into the crease of my neck. And right into the hairline, again in an upward motion. And then on the nose. And you could use a smaller brush on the nose if you want it to be more precise. I don't really do too much on my nose, so I just kind of lightly do it. And then that's kind of how it looks. So it just gives you more of a chiseled look, I guess. And the great thing about this is it's pretty natural. So if ever I find that it doesn't look as intense as I want it to look, like I think the forehead and the jaw looks really good, but I'm gonna do the cheeks again. Just because I said I have such a square head that I just want to make it look sharper. My chin and everything looks good, but and again, this isn't something I do every day, but I'm always in upward motions. So that looks pretty good. So that is it. And it just takes a couple times of doing it to kind of know what works for your face. But I would really recommend this BH Cosmetics kit. It's really cheap, affordable, and it also is really good quality, and it's not too dramatic or anything. I've already kind of concealed with the contour kit, but I always put a little bit extra too and under my brow bone. and then I set it. So the concealer that I used is the Bye Bye Under Eye It Cosmetics Concealer, and surprisingly I'm in the shade, what shade is this? Medium. And with this concealer, it's really creamy and good coverage, but you definitely have to set it with a powder. And next I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. A little bit on my forehead because my forehead's looking kind of oily today. But I always set it under my eyes for my concealer and under the contours on my cheeks because I just find it makes it look sharper that way. And I'll just leave it on for a few seconds and then buff it out. Final look of it. I've been using it for months now. It lasts all day. It's really creamy. It's great for beginners because it's not too harsh. Like you might find you have to do it twice just to get the chiseled look that you want. But I've really been liking it. I don't know if this is the proper way to do it, but this is just how I do it. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys use for contouring? Do you use a cream product or do you use a powder one? And that's just kind of my routine that I do. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new videos every week, so I wouldn't want you to miss one. And thank you again for all your kind comments in the comment section and likes, and thanks for watching my videos. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.